Okay, today we're gonna clean the condenser. I shut it off inside, but we're gonna shut off right here. So you're gonna find this near your thing. You're just gonna shut it off. And now we don't have any electricity over to here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this top off. We're gonna spray down the coils and then clean them out. The first thing you have to do is figure out what size your little screws are. The easiest way to do it is with this drill, but if you must, you can use a screwdriver. Sometimes it doesn't fit where you want it to. Sometimes you're gonna need your little shorty screwdriver to do this, which is annoying. Okay, once you got these off, this should pull up. Of course it didn't. Let's see here. There we go. Find a safe place to put your fan, or you could disconnect it if you really wanted to. It's right down there, but it's extra work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spray the inside of this, and then the outside of it, and then we're gonna clean it out with the hose. See if we see any difference. So we're gonna do the inside first here. You might need 2 cans of this stuff. Okay, so we have sprayed this whole bottle into here, and it looks like it could use a little. We got some rot there, but we're gonna see what the hose does. We're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. That's 5 minutes after I stopped spraying, which took about 5 minutes to spray, so let's see how that goes. So I've lived in this house for about 5 years and I haven't cleaned this yet. So if you're one of those people, don't feel bad. Let's see what this is gonna look like after we spray it off. Now we were gonna use a pressure washer, but we're not going to because it could blow apart the whole thing. If you look at the water that's coming out of it, it is very dirty. Check out that water down at the bottom. Okay, so we thoroughly flushed it from the back side out, and we should just grab those leaves out of the bottom. But overall, I think it's looking cleaner in there. We can see through it a little, which is always a good sign. So once you're done cleaning it, you got to get this top back down. So what you're going to do is just fold it back down on there, line up the holes, and then screw the screws in. Let's see if it runs any better. Once you've got all the screws on, you're gonna turn this back on. Yours might look different. It might have a pull out. Put that back. And now, we'll see how it goes. And there we are, up and running again.